Usually, when running the computer, it hangs or turns off, or when the computer is turned on, it turns on but the monitor does not light up. Today, I will tell you the reasons why the problems usually occur due to the lack of necessary drivers installed. Computer hardware problems seem more unusual than normal to us. To solve this problem, we need to download a software. To download it, we will type driver identifier in the browser search box. After downloading from the official website page, we will have to install it. After installing the software, we will have to open it. After opening, the software will automatically scan the computer and tell us what hardware drivers are missing on the computer. We will have to download and install them and fix the driver error problems. My monitor showing up my motherboard missing drivers, and I'm gonna installed. You can install and fix the error, but it has to be hard disk problem. You need the SSD drive, and all-time save your on SSD drive Windows.